we are going to see Standard 5th Science Lesson 2 Matter and Materials Book Back Question and Answer. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. Which of the following are the states of matter? Answer: solid, liquid, gas. Which of the following is a solid? Answer: apple. Jute fiber is obtained from dash stem. Next Roman letter, fill in the blanks. Dash soil is suitable for growing cotton. அதாவது காட்டன் வந்து வளர்கிறதுக்கு எந்த மண் வந்து சூட்டபிளாக இருக்கும்? பிளாக் அண்ட் alluvial soil. Second, the process of making cotton yarn from cotton fiber is dash spinning. Ginning is done to separate dash from the seeds, raw fibers. Synthetic fiber is also called dash fiber, artificial or man-made fiber. Woolen clothes are manufactured from dash animal. Match the following: yarn, spinning; lint, ginning; fabrics, weaving; rayon, wood pulp; jute, stem. Next Roman letter 4, say true or false. Core is the outer covering of coconut. True. Beans and peas are pulses. False. Table is a household good. True. Sweet corn is not a product of maize. False. Cotton balls contain jute fiber. False. Complete the given analogy. Solid, table, liquid, water; cotton seed, ginning; lint, spinning; core fiber, coconut fiber; cotton fiber, cotton plant; black pepper spice, sweet corn cereal. Next Roman letter 6, answer in brief. First question, what is known as ginning? The raw fibers are separated from the seeds by a process known as ginning. Second, give 2 examples for food products made from wheat: breads, cakes. Question 3, what are synthetic fibers? Synthetic fibers are made by human beings with the help of chemical process. Hence, they are called synthetic fibers or man-made fibers. Question 4, what is known as upthrust? When an object is immersed in a liquid, the liquid exerts an upward force on the object. It is known as upthrust. Question 5, name the list of whole grains: wheat, maize, rice, beans, peas, barley, millets. Next Roman letter 7, answer in detail. First question, discuss briefly about 3 states of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Matter can exist in 3 physical states: solid, liquid, and gas. It is made up of molecules, and the molecules are made up of atoms. Solid. In solids, molecules are very closely arranged. Solids are incompressible. They have definite shape, size, and volume. Liquids. In liquids, molecules are loosely packed. Hence, liquids are negligibly compressible. They have definite volume but no definite shape and size. gas. In gases, molecules are very loosely packed. Hence, gases are highly compressible. Next, draw a flow chart to indicate the process of making fabrics from cotton ball. காட்டன் பால்லேருந்து ஃபேப்ரிக்கா எப்படி மேக் பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படிங்கிறத ஃப்ளோ சார்ட்டாக ட்ரா பண்ணோம். காட்டன் பால்ஸ், கின்னிங், காட்டன் ஃபைபர், லிண்ட், ஸ்பின்னிங், யான், வீவிங் அண்ட் நிட்டிங். இந்த வீவிங் அண்ட் நிட்டிங் மூலமாக ஃபேப்ரிக். Next, Roman letter 8, give reason why umbrellas are made up of synthetic clothes. Synthetic clothes are mainly hydrophobic in nature and do not absorb the water easily as compared to nature fibers like cotton. Apart from this, water is shed efficiently in the synthetic fibers, thus allowing it to dry easily. Such fibers even require less treatment to make it waterproof and do not require much maintenance. Nylon and polyester, the two fabrics most commonly used in raincoats and umbrellas. Next, question 2. What determines whether an object floats or sinks in a fluid? Whether an object floats or sinks is determined by its density. When an object is immersed in a liquid, the liquid exerts an upward force on the object. It is known as upthrust. If the density is more, upthrust is less, so it sinks. But if the density is less, upthrust is more and the object will float. Thank you so much.